This seemingly ancient bird is one of the closest living relatives of dinosaurs. It's the cassowary, the deadliest bird in the world. The cassowary's size and weight are second only to the ostrich and emu, making it the third largest bird in the world. These birds can grow up to 1.8 meters tall and weigh up to 80 kilograms. Despite their large size and inability to fly, they can run at speeds of up to 48 kilometers per hour, faster than the fastest human, Usain Bolt. Equipped with sharp claws up to 12 centimeters long, they can launch deadly attacks. Although they are primarily herbivorous, they are highly aggressive. In 2019, a man in Florida was killed by a cassowary he kept as a pet, highlighting the potential danger of these birds.